Hey there guys, Chet here. Most agencies make the mistake of using one tool for sales and a completely different tool for project management. This disconnect causes communication delays and makes your team look disorganized when a new client signs on. You shouldn't have to switch tabs just to see if the work you sold is actually getting done. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to consolidate your entire operation by using the projects feature built directly into Pipedrive. You'll stop copying and pasting data between apps and start managing your delivery directly alongside your sales. We'll cover how to customize project boards for your specific services, how to use templates to save hours of admin work, and how to link every project back to the original deal so that your data is always accurate. Now, you will need a Pipedrive account to follow along. If you haven't set one up, don't just search on Google. I have a special link right down there in the description. If you click that, you get a free 30-day free trial with all the features unlocked instead of the standard 14 days. And if you decide to keep using it after the trial, the discount will be applied automatically when you sign up through my link. That means that you'll be using the same powerful Pipedrive for less than what others are currently paying. And if you want to master this tool completely, we've also put together a full Pipedrive course from A to Z, walking you through everything step by step. It's totally free, and it's linked right there if you need it. Now let's look at the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll need to find the Projects tab. Pipedrive keeps that interface clean, so they hide the extra features. Go to the left menu, click on those three dots, dot, dot, dot. Yes, a menu is going to pop up with a bunch of extra options like projects and insights. You want to click on the projects. This will take you to your main projects view. Now, when you land here, you will see your project boards. If you've used anything like Trello or a Kanban board before, this will look very familiar. If you have different phases now, you'll have them set up by default, like kickoff, planning, implementation, closing, but every business is different. So let's customize this. Go to the top and hit that little pencil icon. Now you can rename these phases to match your actual workflow. Once you're happy with the names, just hit Save Changes right there in the corner. If you run different types of projects, like maybe one for onboarding and one for web design, you can create completely separate boards for them. Click the drop-down menu button next to the pencil icon, select Plus New Board from the drop-down. Give it a name that makes sense for your team, and then save it. Now you can toggle between different workflows easily. Before we build a project from scratch, I want to show you a huge time saver. You don't want to manually type out the same tasks for every single client, right? Wastes time. Over on the left, click on the Templates tab. This is where the magic happens. You can see the pre-built project structures here. Setting these up means next time you get a client, you just click one button and your whole project roadmap is ready to go. Let's go back to the main projects tab and create one together so that you can see how this works. Click that green plus project button at the top. A form is going to slide in. First, you can pick a template from the dropdown if you have one, or just leave it blank to start fresh. Give your project a clear title, usually something like client name onboarding. Then you need to set the timeline. Pick a start date and an end date so that the team knows the deadline. Below that, choose which board this project belongs to and which phase it should start in. Usually you will start in the kickoff phase. Now, this next part is the most important part. You need to link this project to actual data. Confirm the owner of the project. Then in the deals field, search for the deal that you just won. This connects the sales data to the project. Do the same for the contact person and the organization. You can also add a label right here like to do or high priority so it stands out visually. Add a quick description. If you need to give the team some context, review it to make sure that you didn't miss anything and hit save. You will see your new project card appear on the board. Go ahead and click on it to open up the detailed view. This is where the work happens. First, just double check that all your tasks are assigned and the due dates look correct. On the left side, you have a panel where you can update the status of the project as you move forward. You can also add more labels here if things change, like marking it on hold if the client goes quiet. If the timeline slips, which happens to the best of us, you can edit the start and end dates right here too. Now look at the tabs across the top of the project card. You have plan, files, notes, emails, and documents. Click on files. This is where you should upload any assets, contracts, or design briefs related to this specific job. It keeps everything in one place so that you're not digging through Google Drive later. Use the Notes tab to jot down minutes from your client meetings. The Emails tab is great because it syncs your communication. You can see what was said without leaving the project view. And if you use Pipedrive's Smart Docs, you can generate and send contracts directly from the Documents tab. All right, here's a pro tip before we finish. Let's just say you built the perfect project structure with all the right tasks and phases. You don't want to build it again next time, right? Go to those three dots in the top right corner of the project card. You will see an option that says Convert to Template. Click that. A window will pop up asking you to confirm, hit Convert, and boom. Now that entire setup is saved as a template. The next time you close a deal, you just select this template from the drop down list and you're ready to start working again in seconds. And that's how you bridge the gap between sales and delivery in Pipedrive. Now you can seamlessly move a client from deal one to project started without missing a single beat. Don't forget to click that link in the description to grab your 30-day extended free trial and a free course. It really helps out the channel and gives you more time to learn the tool. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.